Hi friends, this is Nisha here and today's topic is simplifying rational expressions. So to simplify rational expressions, we factor both numerator and denominator and use following properties of fractions. So if here common factor is C, so we can cancel out and we get answer A upon B. Okay, let's do this question here. X square minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 2. So here x square minus 1. So can we write x square minus 1 square, or we can simplify here x square minus 1. We can write x square minus 1 square, and here we can use difference of squares formula, a special product formula. So this is the answer. So we can write x plus 1 x minus 1. Okay, now here we factor denominator. So this is x square plus x minus 2. So what is product here? Product is minus 2, sum is 1. So 1 times 2 is 2, but here sum is positive, so larger number positive and this is negative. So minus 1 times 2 is minus 2, minus 1 plus 2, we get 1. So we got two numbers, minus 1 and 2, which product is minus 2 and sum is 1. X minus 1 x plus 2. Okay, so we factored. Now what is your common factor? X minus 1 x minus 1. So our left this answer is x plus 1 upon x plus 2. That's the answer. Okay, let's try another question. Here numerator already factored, so we can write as it is. And here square, it means we can write 2 times x minus 1 times x minus 1. Okay, we factored everything, numerator and denominator. So what is here common factor? X minus 1 x minus 1. Yes, and look at here 3 and 6 also. So 3 and 6 we can cancel by 3. 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6. So our final answer is x plus 2 in numerator and in denominator 2x minus 1. This is the answer. I hope you are getting. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. X minus 2 already factored. Okay, x square minus 4. 4 we can write 2 square. So this is just like sum of difference of squares formula, a special product. So we can write plus 2 minus 2, x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, so what is your common factor? This one, x minus 2, x minus 2. Our final answer is 1 upon x plus 2. And that's it. Okay, this is another question. In numerator y square plus y, so we can take easily common y. So here y plus 1. You can check You can use distributive property and check this one you get or not. Okay, y square minus 1. So again we can write 1 means 1 square, and we can use difference of squares formula. So y plus 1 upon y minus 1. And what is here common factor? Y plus 1, y plus 1. So answer is y upon y minus 1 is the answer. Okay, so if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. You can email me, or you can write on comment. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye. Have a nice time.